Hello everyone, Field of Stage back again with you. Today we're gonna learn how to download and how to install Parrot OS operating system on your VirtualBox. Okay, let's start it. First, we need VirtualBox to download. If you have VirtualBox, you don't have to download it again, but if you don't have, please type on your search VirtualBox VM. By the way, I'm gonna put the link in the description as well. When you gonna go for official website, you can see there is VirtualBox 6.1 version. Please download this one and install. The installation is like usually just you have to press next, and that's it. Not too much difficulties. Okay, now we have to do, as you can see here as well, it's for Windows host. If you got OS, MacBook or wherever, you can download for OS as well, or for Linux distribution. Okay, now let's download Parrot OS operating system. For this, just type Parrot operating system. It's gonna show you the original website from parrotlinux.org. Please go there. Now we are in official website. From there you have to go to the download section. Basically, as you can see here, bunch of different versions for different users. But for us, for penetration testing, we need security one. And here I got two different options, which is one of them made and this other one KDE. And desktop size is like and the size is 4 GB, and this one size is 3.9 GB. I prefer download this one. It doesn't matter, you can download one of them from both, it's up to you. Okay, basically I don't have to download it again because I already had. If you don't have, please click direct download and it's gonna start downloading as well. Now let's go to VirtualBox. Oracle VM machine. It's gonna pop up. As you can see, I already installed and I'm using several operating systems, but we need to create another one which is new, and we're gonna type Parrot OS, and for the type please choose Linux and Oracle 64-bit. And please next. As you have seen my previous videos, I always recommend you to give enough memory for your operating system. Like always, and I gonna give my half memory size from the overall. Press next, create VirtualBox disk image, next, dynamically allocated, yes, next, and create. As you can see, it's empty for now, and that's why we're gonna go to the settings, storage, and empty disk. From there we're gonna choose have a look. Here I got my Parrot KDE security 4.8 for 64-bit. If you don't have this kind of showing in your device, just choose a disk file, and from there you can see your Parrot KDE security 4.8 version in your download section. Just please choose that one and open, and okay. Now let's start running this. Okay, it's taking some time. Yes, KDI security 4.8 64 ISA. Start. Then it's gonna ask from you to install live mode, terminal mode, and better choose the install option and standard installer. Yes, and so far it's pretty forward, it's not difficult, just choose English, United Kingdom, British English, and it will not be difficult to install and running this operating system, as I know I'm already running this operating system and it's like kind of useful for penetration testers. Just please ignore these ones. Okay, it's gonna ask from you to choose root password. Please choose your root password wherever it is. Continue. Enter password to verify. Continue. Full name for the new user. In my case, I'm gonna type the user which I like. You can do wherever you want your name or wherever your nickname or wherever. Okay, username for your account. Yes. Continue. The password for the new user. And re-enter the password for the new user. And yeah, it's gonna take some time to install. Yes, now it's gonna ask whether you use entire disk. Yes. Select all files in one partition, recommended for new user. Yes. Okay, finish partitioning and write changes to the disk. Yes. Okay, it's gonna ask, you have not selected on the partition for use swap space. Enabling swap space is recommended on system with low memory, like 4 GB of RAM or less. Okay, do you want to return to partition menu? No. Okay, write changes to the disk. Yes. And for now, it's gonna start installing the system. And it's gonna take some time, as I talked in my previous videos. If you have pretty much fast internet network, you should not be having any difficulties. I mean, anyway, to installing any other operating system as well, it's gonna take some time. Just be patient, and that's it so far. And yeah, now we're gonna wait to install all of these things. Okay guys, as you can see that during installation it can ask install the group bootloader to the master boot record. You just gonna say yes. Sorry. Enter device manually. Now we can just choose this device and that's it. As you can see, it's finishing the installation. Yeah, when it's installed already, it's gonna say installation is completed, and just press continue. Yeah guys, it's already installed. Yeah, now it's gonna ask. Now it's gonna go to the operating system. Yeah, as you can see, it starts running. Just please ignore these messages. Just press X. That's it. Okay guys, as you can see, now I'm in the virtual machine and operating system. Now it's asking me the password, which I already created in the beginning during the installation. Just you're gonna type the password. For the first time, it's gonna take some time to run the operating system. Yeah, now you're gonna choose United Kingdom, and for the keyboard, and just press OK. That's it guys. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like it, please subscribe, and thank you very much guys. See you soon again.